whatever space we need, we get it. And initially we started with the shell type scheme, like in Intex with 3x3. Then we slowly, two EMOs we did like that. Then we took open space, and with our group we have built our stall there. And generally, as you told, we used to apply. We used to tell our products, what are our products. So in generally, our products comes in toolings. So in that area, we used to have our stall. And it is better when we have a stall in tooling area. So different people will be there who wish to come to us and see our toolings, and by even OEM people, if they want to visit, they can visit those areas where they want toolings. They will come to that area. So it will be easier for you to showcase your products and do it. As far as us, participation is not a difficult thing. We have not faced any problem till now. Maybe it is 7th or 8th EMO. We have not faced any problem. Even stay, as we have seen, is hotels may be there. We used to book the apartments. That is very good thing in Hannover. You can book the apartment where you can stay. So one good thing is that people live in their apartment with keeping all their things in one room. You can get rooms, you will get kitchen, you can prepare your foods. That way we are very lucky in Hannover to get like this.